so we're going to get to this. We've got 2 new NRP gated shifters. Got them for the XP1000 and the RS1. So we're going to go ahead and get these installed. Well, we're going to get one of these installed in the RS1 today. Really excited to get this done. As far as I'm concerned, this is a needed safety feature. It basically allows you to quickly go into reverse without the risk of going into park. It locks park out. So if you're on a hill and you're starting to get the front end light, you can slam this into reverse really quickly and get back down the hill without rolling back down the hill. So let's get her opened up here and see what it's all about. So here's the black one. We're going to put this in the XP1000. There's the parts to go with that. I don't know what these parts are. Might be some spare parts. Gave us some stickers. Nice. Always like stickers. Gotta have the stickers. And then we've got the blue one, which is going to go on or in to the RS1. Good feeling shifters. And then here are the parts to go along with the RS1 shifter. So basically what we're going to do is this part comes off, slides down in the back of the, in the part of the shifter there's a channel. And then this gets connected. These are your lockouts. Let's see what's in here. Just seems like extra hardware. Yep, extra hardware. So they gave us some extra screws to hold on the handle, and the Allen wrenches to fasten those. There are 2 different size Allen wrenches in here. Not sure. Oh, that is for the set screw. So the small Allen wrench is for the set screw after you've use this gnarled knob to snug the shifter and take the play out of it. So you can see there the adjustment to take the play out, and then you snug down the set screw. So let's do it. Well, I wasn't going to bore you with all this disassembly, but you can see to install the shifter, I had to take this side off to give me access in here. We want to be able to get into where the shifter is connected here. I had to take this inner cover off also to give me access. There is a bar that goes down in here, and then the shifter sits here, as hopefully you can see. And 2 Allen head screws go through there into that bar. And then the shifter actually connects down here to where your cable is. You can see that here I'm in park. I had to use the trigger to get that into park. I also have to use the trigger to get it out of park. So there's reverse, neutral, low, and I can't go into high without pulling the trigger and then to high. I can go all the way from high to reverse just like that. And that's the magic of this shifter, is that I can go from high gear or low gear directly to reverse with no risk of it going into park. That's something that we want to make sure we can do whenever we're trying to get ourselves out of a sticky situation on a hill. As you can see here, there's an adjustment knob. This allows you to take the slack out of the shifter side to side. Once you get that set, you just set this set screw, and that'll keep that nice and snug. Other than removing the panels, that's the hardest part. Installing this shifter is a breeze. No problem at all. So we're going to get this all put back together. I am going to take the shifter handle off, which is just a matter of removing these 3 screws here on both sides. And then I can lift this billet piece off and slide the boot back down, but I won't do that until I get everything else, the panels put back in. Another thing that I did have to mess with a bit was the these adjustment nuts here. Whenever I installed it at first, it did not want to go properly into low or high, so I had to adjust these. Basically, this nut here came this way, and then of course this nut snugs it all up. But if ever you have trouble with it, shifting into gear, you've got the adjustment here. You don't have to break back into those sidewalls there. So that's pretty much it. I'm really excited to have this on here. Like I said, I think it's going to be a great safety feature, and looking forward to get it out on the trails. Not only that, but it's really cool looking too. So, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the like, and check back for new content. Later.